Hello, Clearbra, North Dallas, 2020 Corvette. Did a full wrap on this one with Xpel Ultimate Plus. Just run around it for you, show you how we do what we do. So one of the biggest areas of concern for everybody is typically when a car is wrapped, there'll be junctions right in here. We wrap all those edges. All these are 100% wrapped inside the front trunk area. So all this is wrapped, no junctions, no cutouts, all wrapped. We'll come up here to the top of the hood, and again, the edge of that's wrapped, the edge of that's wrapped, the edge of this is wrapped, all inside the door. So if you're looking to get your car wrapped, your new Corvette, let us know. We'll be happy to get it like this one. All these plastic pieces, every piece of this bumper has a piece of Clearbra on it. All the way inside, all the way under, every edge to edge. Honestly, there isn't an area on this bumper that we didn't get covered. So there you go. That's the 2020. This is our third one. The other ones were white, but black is more time consuming. Black's always the fun color, but I don't mind it. I get a lot of black cars. And we did ceramic on everything. The wheels were coated, the Clearbra was coated over with Fine Labs ceramic. Everything's wrapped inside the door areas. These here wrapped underneath. The gas caps wrapped inside, The rear, piece of fuzz here. This rear area, I can tell you it's got a great shine. Yeah, I mean, it's just the polish. When these cars come from the dealership, they've got their fair amount of marks on them. This thing received a full correction to make it look the best it can. But this full piece, this trunk lid, if you can get a shot of this, it's all one section. The fish came off, the Stingray, I like to call it the fish. Then we put it back. So I don't know if those parts are available yet, but we're able to put it back with the same type of adhesive. And again, the rockers down below, they're pretty big. They're in two sections. You've got a arrow piece here, and then you've got the actual rocker to the body, all wrapped inside the door. Everything goes inside this real live air inlet for the engine, so it goes all the way back there. And that's about it. I mean, the car is just fantastic. I give this car a thumbs up, man. I love it. The roof comes off like the standard Vettes from the past. This piece here gets fully wrapped and down inside the window area. That's it. Mirrors, no problem there. Everything goes in nicely. And that is it, folks. But most importantly, what people are after is making sure that these edges are fully wrapped and no lines from Clearbra, like where they make a channel. No, I'm able to wrap all those. And there's other people out there, I'm sure. Another smudge. There's plenty of people out there, I'm sure, that can wrap that. You just got to ask to make sure it gets done. You don't want to have channels where these are. Every time I touch this thing, you don't want to see channels on these edges like this. So all that can be wrapped. It just takes time and some experience. So there's, folks, I'm going to stop talking. And there it is, 2020 Vette, fully wrapped, ceramic coated, wheels, over the paint protection, and the glass. If you're looking to get your new Vette wrapped, give us a call. 940-703-8301, Clearbra, North Dallas. Take care and be safe, please.